Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. In today's video we are going to talk about the Remesh modifier. I call this modifier a Minecraft modifier. You will see why. Shift A and let's go. Let me open the shortcuts for you and Shift A and let's go to Monkey, Suzanne Monkey. And let's go to the modifier and go to the Remesh is like making it, see, it's making it like a smooth, isn't it? And you can give that an adaptivity. Maybe you'll say it's not Minecraft. I'll show you. Wait, this is, if I make it less and less and more, it will become a cube. You see, like this it will become a voxel size. See, this is voxel, and you can give it adaptivity or 0. You can go to the sharp. Be aware of that oak tree should not pass 8 because it will make your laptop slow down, or maybe close the blender, or it will make it blender not respond. See, this is sharp, and let's move this here like this, and this again it will become something like this, and you can change it from here until it will be the Suzanne will be have its form and sharpness. And let's go to the smoothness. Be aware of it, not past 8 because it will close your blender. And this is the scale of it, you see. And this is the blocks, or let's go with smooth shading. We have smooth shading here, and you have the blocks. This is the Minecraft that we were talking about. You can make it smaller, the scale from here, or make the size of this more. See, it's like a Minecraft, isn't it? When we were playing on our phone or our laptop. Okay, so it's like a Minecraft thing. And let's close this and let me show you another thing, which is a cube. If I put a Remesh on it, it will not work. It will not work very well. What we have to do is go to tab and select all and subdivide. And now I am going to give it a Remesh. And when I'm going to make it a block, let's see if we can do it. You see, it is now stopped working. Let me stop recording, or let me see, it is not responding. So I have to make another video about it, and see you again. Goodbye.